We learnt the trigonometric table in the previous videos. We learnt all these values and the trick to remember this table, make this table. But how did we actually get these values? If sine 0 degree is 0, why is it 0? Why is it not 1? Or why cos 0 degree is not 0? So these are all having some mathematical logic behind them, and we must know the derivations and we must know the logics as to how we got these values. So in this video, let us see how we got the value of sine 0 as 0 degree. Now we know that in a triangle an angle cannot be 0 degree. So we shall tend to make theta equal to 0 degree and see what happens. So consider a right angled triangle ABC wherein angle C is theta, and clearly angle A will be 90 minus theta because angle A plus angle C will be 90 degrees. Now say if theta is 50 degrees, then angle A is going to be 40 degrees. What if I reduce this angle theta by a few degrees? Slowly I will make it 0 degree. So let us see what happens if I reduce this theta from 50 to 40 degrees or 30 degrees. My figure becomes like this, and if this angle C is reduced, angle A1 becomes more than angle A. Say this point is A. Angle A1 becomes more than angle A, and length of A1B becomes less than the length of AB. Now let us see what if I reduce it still further. I have reduced it still further to say 20 degrees. So you can say angle A2 becomes more than angle A1 and angle A. And this distance A to B becomes even lesser than A1B. Let us see if I make this angle still smaller, and when this angle becomes 0 degrees, what happens? Now is the important point to understand. If this angle C becomes further smaller and I go on decreasing it, so two things happen. Hypotenuse also goes on decreasing, as you can see. And ultimately when this angle becomes 0 degree, then hypotenuse coincides with BC. And also this perpendicular distance is getting smaller and smaller. And when this angle becomes 0, this distance becomes 0. Right? So ultimately when angle C tends to be 0 degree, that is angle theta tends to be 0 degree, my perpendicular becomes 0 and hypotenuse becomes equal to BC only. Okay? Suppose if BC is A, then hypotenuse becomes A and BC is A and BA becomes 0. So this is the thing which we have to understand. I am repeating, when this theta tends to be 0, then our base is A, hypotenuse becomes coincide with A and perpendicular becomes 0. Let's write down the formula. We know that sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Some people have. This is a short poem which is available on the channel. You can go and watch it. So now our perpendicular is 0 and hypotenuse is A. So clearly value of sine 0 degree is 0. Formula for cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, curly brown here. Now our base is A and hypotenuse is also A. So value of cos theta comes out to be 1, and tangent theta will be P upon B. So our perpendicular is 0 and base is A. So value of tangent 0 degree comes out to be 0. So if we complete the triangle, perpendicular tends to be 0. If base is A, hypotenuse tend to superimpose and becomes A. Now from here also you can write down all the formula. So this is how we got the derivations for the values of 0 degrees. I repeat, sine 0 degree is 0. Cos 0 degree is 1 and tangent 0 degree is on division of 0 and 1 we get 0. So I hope you understand. Stay tuned for other values. Thank you so much. Do not forget to share and subscribe. Happy practicing.